Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Now, to those of you that are yet to follow us on Telegram, make sure you follow us on Telegram. There we just put out one signal that we will be looking out, which is for free. So you definitely would want to join us. If you are not yet on Telegram, make sure you open one and follow us. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. There will be putting out some trades we will be looking out for. Now let's take a look at GBPUSD with this movement right here. There's something that I will be expecting on GBPUSD. I will be expecting GBPUSD to continue to drop to give us a new lower lows. That is our bias on GBPUSD. So it will look something like this: a lower lows, lower high here, lower low, lower high, and this is it. A new lower low wants to start forming, so we should be expecting more drop on GBP USD. Now, can price actually revert back up? Yes, it can. There's possibility that it can, but right now I'm not yet seeing it, but there's every possibility it can, because once market starts giving this type of choppy movement, there's something crazy that wants to happen. I mean, as it is dropping, a lot of people want to start selling. That this is where we need to be careful as a trader, because price can just push up, take out a lot of people's stop loss before it continues to the downside. So yes, it can actually push up, but I don't think it will. And if it does that, do not be surprised. It is just liquidity playing out there. We should continue the movement to the downside. So GBP USD, our bias is still to the downside. Make sure you follow us on Telegram. You will find the link in the comment section.